Happy Monday. Hope you guys are enjoying your break. As I was reviewing a lot of student work, I am a little concerned, and I'm noticing that a lot of students are still struggling with product of powers, multiplying exponents. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm creating a video, somewhat of a video tutorial. Okay. So for example, number 6. We're gonna work on number 6 right now. All right. So it is very important. The first thing that you need to do when you look at this expression, 2 h to the power of 7 times 7h, we notice that we have our numbers, or our numbers and variables mixed together, right? We have a coefficient, which is the number, and then we have our variable, which is h in this situation. So in order for us to start simplifying this expression, remember in class I used that keyword discriminate. Okay, we're going to discriminate, and we're going to separate all of our coefficients, aka our numbers, right? All of our numbers, and we're going to put them together, and then we're going to separate all of our variables, in this situation the h's, and multiply them together. So in this situation, right, I am going to separate 2 times 7, and then I'm going to separate h to the power of 7 times h. Okay, and once I've done that, now I can go ahead and multiply. I'm going to multiply my numbers together, and then I'm going to multiply my variables with exponents. Okay, and we're going to do product of powers, and by now you should know that in product of powers, when you're multiplying exponents, the bases have to be the same, and then you add the exponent. So in this situation, it's going to be 2 times 7, which is 14, times h to the power of 7 plus 1, which is going to give you 14h to the power of 8. See that? And let me make that 8 a little better. Okay, so what I'm going to do on the side, I'm going to write some notes. I'm going to write you guys some steps. Okay, so step 1, separate your coefficients, which are your numbers. Separate your coefficients from your variables, which are your letters. Right? So that's the first thing. Step 2, okay, we're gonna rewrite the expression. Okay, where you show that you are multiplying the coefficients together and multiplying the variables together. Step 3, simplify and use product of powers. At the exponent. So for example, let me go ahead and let me do a problem here. So for example, say we have a problem that says 3x squared times 5x to the fifth, right? So step one, right, we're going to separate. Step one and step two, you could say this partly the same. It's they're mixed in together. So you're going to separate. Okay, so let me use a highlighter. We're going to separate our coefficients together, okay? And then we're going to separate our variables together. See that? Okay, so I'm going to multiply together 3 times 5, right? Which is my two coefficients. That's why it's in yellow. And then I'm going to multiply my variables with exponents, and I'm going to highlight those green, right? Because I'm using the color code, right? We're multiplying yellows with yellows and greens with greens. That's the way of looking at it as well, right? And then see, we in step two we're showing that we're multiplying the exponents, right? So sorry, we're showing that we're multiplying the coefficients together, and then we're also showing that we're multiplying the variables together. See? So now once we have that, that leaves us to step number 3, which is just simplify, meaning just do the math. So 3 times 5 will give us 15 times x squared times x to the fifth. That means x to the power of 2 plus 5, right? Which will give us 7, right? Because 2 plus 5 is 7. So then the final result is going to be 15x to the power of 7. I hope this video helps. I hope this video helps a little bit more with understanding this topic. If you still need help, please reach out to me via email or through Schoology. And remember that I have tutoring hours Mondays from 8 to 8:50 in the morning, Tuesdays to Fridays, 2 sessions, 8 to 8:50 in the morning, and then 3 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon after school hours. Please join the tutoring sessions if you need support. All right. Thank you, guys.